Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass, Math Sir. I am going to explain question number 9 that has been taken from exercise 1.1, chapter 1, relation and function of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, so that f is to r input plus, that is set of positive real numbers goes to close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval given by f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5 invertible. Also, so that f is invertible with f inverse y equal to under root y plus 6 bracket close minus 1 whole over 3. Now come out to solution here. Imply that here I shall write given that f is to r input plus goes to close interval minus 5 infinite open interval defined as f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This is the function. We have to prove that f of x is invertible on this condition. What to do next? Next I shall write for 1 implied that for 1 the theorem is that if f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to f2 comma for all x1 comma f2 belong to set of positive real number domain. For all x1 comma f2 belong to set of positive real number domain. On this pattern implies that f of x1 comes out to be 9 x1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6x1 minus 5 equal to, here in place of x I shall write x1, comes out to be f of x1 equal to 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 equal to, in place of x I shall write f2, comes out to be 9 f2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6 f2 minus 5. We will get here implied that minus 5 will be cancelled out. Here you will get, just group the like terms, 9 x1 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 9 f2 का होल स्क्वायर. Here 9 x1 का होल स्क्वायर 9x1 square 9x1 square, or here plus 9x2 square is there, plus 9x2 square will push back to left hand side, comes out to be 9x1 square minus 9x2 square plus 6x1, here plus 6x2 will thrown back to left hand side, comes out to be minus 6x2 equal to 0. Again I shall write implied that here I shall take 9 as a common. x1 का whole square minus x2 square. Here take 6 as a common. You will get here x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Implied that 9 I shall write x1 square minus x2 square, a square minus b square. You will get here a plus b, a minus b. On the basis of that pattern, here I shall write x1 plus x2. In another bucket I shall write x1 minus x2 plus 6 in bracket I shall write x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Again I shall write implied that here 9 in bracket x1 plus x2 bracket close into x1 minus x2 bracket close plus 6 in bracket x1 minus x2 equal to 0. So take x1 minus x2 as a common. You will get here x1 minus x2 take as a common. In another bracket you will get 9 in bracket x1 plus x2 plus 6 curly bracket close equal to 0. Implied that again I shall write x1 minus x2 square 0 equal to 0. Implied that x1 equal to x2. For all x1 comma x2 belong to set of positive real number domain. Hence here from f of x1 equal to f of x2 we have got x1 equal to x2. This means that 1 function is verified on this function. Again I shall write for undo. For undo, theorem is that let small y belong to codomain. Codomain minus 5 infinite open. Let y belong to codomain, that is close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval. This one close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval. This one is codomain. So let y belong to codomain close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval. Then there exists x belong to domain set of positive real number such that f of x is equal to y. This is the theorem related to onto function. What we have to do here, f of x will be equal to y. Hence, this shall get implied that 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to y. What to do next? Next I shall write implied that 9x square plus 6x minus 5 minus y is equal to 0. Implied that 9x square plus 6x minus in bracket I shall write y plus 5 equal to 0. Now here you can see this is a quadratic equation in which a is equal to 9, b is equal to plus 6 and c is equal to minus in bracket y plus 5. So this is a quadratic equation. So here you have got a is equal to 9, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus in bracket y plus 5. Again I shall write, use here Sridharacharya formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. This is called as Sridharacharya formula on quadratic equation. What to do here? Just put the value x is equal to minus b. In place of b I shall write 6. So here write minus 6 plus minus under root b square. B square means 6 का whole square comes out to be 36 minus 4. Value of a we have got 9. A value of c we have got in bracket minus y minus 5 whole over 2a means 2 a 3 3. So here I 3, here I 3. Implied that x is equal to minus 6 plus minus under root 36 plus here take here minus as a common, here minus will multiply, you will get here plus, here you will get 9 4 ja 36. In bracket I shall write y plus 5 whole over 3 2 ja 6 bracket में 3. Now here take 36 as a common. Again I shall write implied that x is equal to minus 6 plus minus, here take 36 common, it will become under root 36. Under root 36 comes out to be 6. In bracket we will get under root 36 comes out to be 6 and under root we will get 1 plus y plus 5. This one thing we will get whole over 6 we will get here 3 comes out to be x is equal to, take here 6 as a common, take here from this place 6 as a common, so 6 will be cancelled out. Here you will get minus 1 plus minus under root y plus 6 whole over 3. This thing you will get. Where this thing, the value of x you will got. Here again I shall write, since x belong to set of positive real number. Here you can see x belong to set of positive real number. Here x belong to domain. Domain, here you can see set of positive real number. So value of x must always be positive. And y belong to from this place. So here value of y will be greater than equal to minus 5. From this place y belong to close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval. So close interval, this means that value of y will be minus 5. So y equal to minus 5. Or from this side, right hand side, the value of y will be greater. So value of y must be equal to or greater than minus 5. This condition is there. Hence, x is equal to here minus sign, minus 1 comes out to be equal to minus. X will have minus sign. That's why here minus sign will be neglected. We shall take only plus sign. So here you will get x equal to minus 1 plus under root y plus 6 whole over 3 will get. Only positive value of x we shall take. The value of x we have got this one. That is correct. Now if you put here y equal to minus 5, so if you put here y equal to minus 5, so minus 5 plus 6 comes out to be minus 5 plus 6 comes out to be 1. Under root 1 equal to 1. Minus 1 plus 1 comes out to be 0. 0 over 3, x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means the value of x will be positive. If I put here y equal to minus 4, so y equal to minus 4, so 6 minus 4 comes out to be 2. Under root 2, again the value of x will be positive. Now what to do next? Next I shall write let g is to close interval minus 5 infinite open interval goes to set of positive real number. From this place f is to set of positive real number goes to close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval. On this condition we shall get g is to close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval goes to set of positive real number. The inverse of f will be g on basis of that we have done. So what we'll do next? So here I shall write this value I have got. Now again I shall write this value gy, it will take gy. So gy you have got implied that g, this value will take y. X belong to set of positive real number. X belong to set of positive real number, wherein y belong to close interval non-5, infinite open interval. That's why gy equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. Value of gy equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. This one you have got. Now what we'll do next? Next I shall find g of f, GOF. So here I shall write implied that g of f equal to g of f. Here in g of f, GOF, last letter is f. So f will be related to x. So here write x. We will get here g of f, GOF of x, just separate. In place of o, I shall write circle bracket, or f of x will be put as it is. The g, in place of f of x, I shall put this value 9x square plus 6x minus 5. We'll get here in place of f of x I have put this value, the g of 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So what to do next? Next, in place of y, this value will be put. So now let us see. Here you will get under root, in place of y, this value will be put. Put this value. So we will get here 9x square plus 6x minus 5 under root 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus 6 I shall write minus 1 whole over 3 I shall write. Now what to do next? Next I shall write implied that equal to, just simplify this one, you will get here under root 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 1 whole over 3. This thing you have got. Now 9x square plus 6x plus 3 will be factorized. Let us see what value we will get. So here I shall write, just factorize 9x square plus 6x plus 1. We will get here 9x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 1. We will get here 3x, here we will get x plus 1 plus 1, 3x plus 1. Here 3 is there. We have got here 3x plus 1, another bracket 3x plus 1. We have got here 3x plus 1 का whole square. We will get here implied that g of x equal to under root 9x square plus 6x plus 1 comes out to be 3x plus 1. So here write 3x plus 1 minus 1 whole over 3. We will get here plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out. 3 will cancel out. We will get here g o f of x. We will get here x. Implied that GOF equal to identity function x. X belong to domain. X belong to set of positive real number. That's why GOF equal to identity function on set of positive real number. This one you have got. GOF equal to identity function on set of positive real number. Again I shall write f of g. F of g equal to f of g. Here you can see g is there. In f of g, 4, last letter is g. G will take y. So here write y. You will get here in place of O, I shall write circle bracket. F gy. In place of gy, I shall write under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. We'll get here what to do. Now f of x, so in place of x, this value we have got. So here 9, in place of x, this value I shall put. So here write 9. Open here, or here I shall write under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3 का whole square. This one will get plus 6. In place of x I shall write under root y plus 6 minus 1 over 3. 6x minus 5 I shall write. What to do? Next I shall write equal to f of g y equal to, just here get 3 का whole square comes up to be 9. 9 will be cancelled out. Here you will get under root y plus 6 bracket close minus 1 का whole square comes out to be पहली राशि का वर्ग y plus 6 प्लस दूसरी राशि का वर्ग माइनस दोनों का गुणनफल का दुगुना y plus 6. This thing you will get. Here you will get this 6, this 3 will be cancelled out. We will get here plus 2, in bracket you will get y plus 6 minus 2 minus 5. This thing. So here minus 2 dot under root y plus 6 plus 2 dot under root y plus 6. This one will be cancelled out. So here we will get implied that f of g of y comes out to be y plus 7, 6 plus 1 7, minus 7, plus 7 minus 7 7 will get cancelled out. F of g y equal to y. This means that f of g y is equal to y. F of g will get here identity function y belong to range. So identity function on closed interval -5 infinite open interval. So fog equal to, here you have got fog equal to identity function on closed interval -5 infinite closed interval. So since GOF equal to g of f equal to identity function on set of positive real number, and f of g equal to identity function on closed interval -5 infinite. Hence, from this value we will get f is invertible. This thing we have to prove. Okay guys, thanks.